that buzz up. Someone told me keep that buzz up when you fall. No one cares about your plummet. Got this feeling in my stomach, I can't even describe it. Watch my numbers come up, critics can't even define it. Whoa, never change up, never sold out. Devil trying to get my soul, cause that fame eating at me lately. Back to life, man, get control. Get a hold of what's worth holding in that meal, like get a grip. You've got too much to accomplish just to give up on all this. Hold up, remember back then when it tore me down. When it tore me down, I was feeling all alone, and now I rock a freaking crowd. It was all about to change my life, and I ain't know it. Grabbed that pen, found that paper, light my room up in that moment. I found God inside these walls. Swear that this my mission. If I only change one life, well thank God, I think I did it. No, not perfect, get that clear. I'm just writing how I feel. My heart always on my sleeve. Just look at me, this blood is real. Yeah. Buzz up, someone told me keep that buzz up when you fall. No one cares about your plummet. Got this feeling in my stomach, I can't even describe it. Watch my numbers come up. No handouts, I stayed up grinding. No patience, why don't they sign them? His voice is so monotone, overrated with no style. Read your comments, I worked hard to build that fan base from my basement. Got bigger than envisioned, mama, I might actually make it. Made it out of town, they said no one could make it out alive. I know I am way too driven just to get that 9 to 5. Don't waste my time, I've had this plan. I don't think they understand the hours I was riding just to finally turn some heads. I became the voice for broken people. We're the same, everyone's equal. If this world was perfect, there would be no evil. Industry is trash, so here I am. Make a change, I know I can't. Take these lyrics from my soul. Listen now, you know I can't.